Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at dividing decimals. So the objective here is to divide decimals by whole numbers and decimals. So here are some examples. So we need to first calculate 4.8 divided by 6. So we're going to use the bus stop method. So the 6 goes outside the bus stop and we have 4.8 on the inside. So 6 goes into 4 0 times, remainder 4. We put the decimal place over here to line up with the decimal place on the 4.8. And then 6 into 48 is 8. So the answer to this one is 0.8. This next one, we have 3.6 divided by 0.3. So to make this calculation a bit easier, I can times both of them by 10. So I end up with 36 divided by 3, and 36 divided by 3 is 12. So the answer to this question is 12. This next one, I'm doing 5.04 divided by 0.6. So to make this a nice whole number, I could times it by 10, but I'd have to also times 5.04 by 10 as well. So that would be 50.4 divided by 6. So I can use the bus stop method to do that. So 50.4 divided by 6. So 6 into 5 goes 0, remainder 5. 6 into 50 goes 8, remainder 2, and then I'll put the decimal place here. And 6 into 24 is 3. So the answer to this one is 8.3. So here are some quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. So here are the answers, and that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!